Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to make Sonic in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first one that we will need is water, and then a wind right here, so that we would have wave, and then after that is another water and earth right here to create plant, and then once you have plant, you want to add a wind into it to create dandelion. Once you have dandelion, you want to create another plant to combine it with dandelion to create weed. Once you have weed, you want to add another weed to create bush. Once you have bush, is that you want to go for earth next right here, and then you want to add a wind into it to create dust, and then combine it with bush to create shrub. Once you have shrub, the next thing that you will do is that you would need to go for bush right here and add it with shrub, and then you'd have hedge. So once you have hedge, you want to add a water into it, and then you'd have hedgehog. Once you have hedgehog, add another water, and then there you go. You now have Sonic, and then you can just remove the excess. That is basically it. Thank you for watching.